Welcome to the Batos CodeHub homepage. To get started with a real-world project, click on the Internship tab at the top of the screen. Click Enroll in Internship to move to the registration page. Fill in your details including your full name, email, and a secure password. Select Complete an Internship Project from the drop-down and enter your college, university, and course details. Make sure these details will get populated onto the internship certificate letter, so update the details carefully. Once you click register, you'll need to check your email to verify your account. After verification, log in with your credentials to enter into the internship journey by doing payment on the screen. Welcome to your dashboard. Here you can filter projects by difficulty as beginner, intermediate, or advanced, and by category such as web dev, full stack, data and automation, DevOps, and many more. Browse through the available projects until you find one that fits your goals. Once you selected the project, review the project overview and stages and then click Enroll in this project. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. Once you agree, confirm your enrollment to officially start the project. The project is broken down into stages. You'll start with project requirements to understand the scope and the tech stack. Move to stage 1. Here, you'll find detailed instructions, prerequisites, and the expected project structure. If you get stuck, use the support button. You can send a message to a mentor for assistance. As you complete the technical tasks for each stage, like authentication or build execution, check the items of your checklist and click Mark Complete. Continue through the front-end development and all other integration stages. Your progress bar at the top right will track your journey towards 100% completion. Once all the stages are finished, it's time for the final project submission. Provide your GitHub repository URL and a brief description of your work, then submit for admin review. Congratulations! Once the admin approves your project, your status changes to Done. You can now click Download Certificate. The official internship certificate includes your project details and a unique certificate ID for your professional portfolio. You will also receive a confirmation email. Click the Verify Certificate link to see your digital validation page, proving your hard work and newly acquired skills. Happy coding!